Hello, this is HYIPnews.com, and in this video we are going to discuss the question of whether high profits or low profits percentage, which is promised by the investment program, can be used as a tracker for scam or not scam. Let's get into the details of this issue. As high-yield investment programs, which is obvious from their name, promise high returns, let's quickly discuss what can be used as a source of that huge income. Upon reasonable, not very, let's say, deep financial analytical thinking, we can come up to several situations which can take place in life. Number one is lucky chance, the so-called lucky chance when, for example, you're playing on Forex and some swift changes are taking place on the market of currency, and the currency goes your way and you make huge money. You make hundreds, thousands, sometimes even dozens of thousands of percent within a very small period of time. Possible. Yes, it is. It's possible. But this is chance. You know, you can be waiting for it for a month, for a year, for a decade. It doesn't matter. So lucky chance is not something which can be used as a stable source of income. Another thing is, let's say, some sort of new technology. When I say technology, I don't mean necessarily that this is technological technology. It can be some financial, juridical technology, which at the moment gives a big advantage to the holder of this technology, and meanwhile this advantage is factual. You can make big money, big returns from the investment into this technology. However, let's be realistic, there is nothing on the planet which stands stable, and something which used to be a great technology even 10 years ago, nowadays it is rubbish, not because it was a bad technology, but simply because the time passed by and new things appeared on the market. So new technology and the things that I hide behind this umbrella term, they can be used as a source of high profits, but not for a very long period of time. And as the time passes by, we see that things coming up more swiftly and swiftly, so you cannot sit on this source of high profits for a long time. And finally, maybe this is more of an attraction for conspiracy theories lovers, but let's say there exists some high-yield niche that no one is talking about, no one is sharing about, but people have been making huge money from this niche for decades and keep doing that, and just don't tell the simple mortals the secret of it. Possible? Yes, also possible, but personally I don't believe that this is something realistic, because we are living in the world of money. Sooner or later, if that secret would exist, then by this time it would have got revealed to the audience. So in any case, if we sum up all these possible situations, we can come up to the conclusion that very high yield profits over even a middle period of time, they are not realistic. Either we are talking about some sporadical jumps that can be jumps up but also can be jumps down, or it's impossible to talk about high profits over a long period of time within the framework of the same niche or the same technology or the same business. So what is high and what is low actually on the market of investment rates? The logical question would be, okay, at what level the investment rate becomes unrealistic and is indicating that this is most likely a scam? The true answer would be, please don't bind your attention to any specific numbers here. Well, of course, there is simple logics, like if a company is offering 100% per day and they say they can do it for a long time, then this is impossible, because if that would be possible, then all the money of the world very quickly will pour into this niche, and the niche explodes or gets depleted, or if this is a real niche, yes, that can make you 100% per day, if that would ever be possible. So this niche would be simply devastated. But in any case, saying that 1% per day is realistic and 2% per day is not realistic is a futile attempt. Instead, I would like to draw your attention to the way profit rates are positioned and offered to the public. Because if the investment rates are high, then this is called an aggressive investment. And all reputable companies are obliged to inform you that aggressive investments, this is high risk, you can lose the money, please don't invest anything that you cannot afford to invest without losing. In some niches, like for instance in Forex, you are prohibited to talk about any profits at all on your website, simply like this. If you're a Forex trader, if you're a Forex manager, which means you are managing the money of the people, you are not allowed by the regulations of the Forex brokers and the authorities of this market to talk about profits at all. You simply cannot mention it. If you do that on your website, they will simply say, okay, we're not working with you, and it means reputable Forex brokers will stop offering you their trading platforms. So if a website is offering high profits, at the same moment they don't inform you that these profits, any high profits, are risky, that you must be very safe with the money that you're investing, and you must invest only the money which you can easily afford to lose, then this is something which would trigger a red flag for me, because there are certain regulations on this market and people have to play by that regulations. At the same moment, let's get here, which states that, okay, but what can actually prevent scammers from promising small percentage? I mean, if an investment program is telling you that we cannot make big money, but we can make you 2% per month, but this is stable, does it mean that this program is real? Well, not necessarily, because wise crooks, they always play long term. I'm not talking about governments here, I'm talking about investment programs. So they can be playing long term, and if the investment rate is small, no matter what figure you consider to be small for this market of investments, still this is not indicative of the program to be not scam. Scam can hide behind small percentage. So beyond any doubt, the level of profit that investment program is offering is not indicating whether a program is a scam or not. Of course, with the exceptions of very stupid profit rates like, let's say, I don't know, 10% per day. I don't believe that this is possible, but that's my personal point of view. At the same moment, let's be realistic. This factor, the level of profits, is not indicative of a scam or not scam, and it can be used only in combination with other factors that we are going to discuss in other videos coming on these YouTube channels, in other videos coming on HYIPnews.com, and in other not only video but textual publications that HYIPnews.com will be doing. So go to HYIPnews.com, sign up to the RSS feed, or if you don't like, you can sign up to YouTube channel where you're watching it, and stay tuned to the more tips which are coming from HYIPnews.com team and how to spot a scam on the market. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.